Hello, welcome to a new class. Today we're going to work in a new topic and it's name conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions. Let's work. Conjunction. What is that? What is that word? Okay, it's a word that connects words or group of words, okay? Or groups of words. To add information, we use the conjunction and. And is a conjunction. To show a choice, use the conjunction or. And to show a difference, use the conjunction but. Page 364. Conjunctions. A conjunction, we already know, we already read in the first presentation or in the first page. Now let's read the example. James went to the park in a ball game. James had never been to New York, but he liked it. James could stay in the city or go back home. If you see which words are underlined, and, but, and, or. Those are conjunctions, okay? You can use a conjunction to combine two sentences into a compound sentence. Add a comma before that conjunction in a compound sentence. James went to a ball game, period. Then he went home. We have two sentences here. But we add a conjunction. James went to a ball game, comma, and then he went home. Directions. Write a conjunction in each sentence. Number 1. Railroads were built in the 1800s and Americans soon depended on them. The conjunction is and. Number 2. Okay, let's find which one is the conjunction. Conjunction and, but, or. Number 2. Read the number 2. But. Number 3. Excellent is or. Number 4. Very good. And number 5. Excellent or. That is very easy. Directions. Circle the conjunction in parentheses that best completes each sentence. Number 6. Daniel saw the Statue of Liberty. But or and. And. Number 7. Was the Statue of Liberty dedicated in 1884? Or but 1886? Or. Number 8. It was sent to the United States in 1884. Oh, but. Number 9. Is the statue made of copper? But or marble? Or. Number 10. The statue was cleaned and restored in the 1980s. Okay? Excellent. So we continue to page 364. Conjunctions. Page 370. Page 370. Okay. Conjunctions. Directions. Read the selection, then read each question that follows that selection. Decide which is the best answer to each question. Mark the space for the answer you have chosen. My birthday party. I had a big birthday party this year with lots of friends and family. Number 2. Aunt Lottie did not make it, but Uncle Hall did. Number 3. I got both books, games for presents, and games for presents. Number 4. What conjunction can you use to complete sentence 5? Because number 4 is completed. People could either play volleyball or badminton. In number 7, because number 6 is completed, we played board games. But it says, which answer best combines sentence 6 and sentence 7 using a conjunction? Okay, let's put the 2 sentences together. Some people stay late, but we play board games? No. And we play board games? Or we play board games? Some people stay late and we play board games. Very good. Continue working every page in your language book, okay? In your language books, both grammar and writing and readers and writers. Thank you very much for your attention. Please continue praying for the people in Honduras and for your family, especially for your family. God bless you all. Bye-bye.